Snapchat has announced the integration of its lenses into Microsoft Teams. With this development, Teams users will have access to a collection of 26 lenses during meetings, which could be used to transform themselves into a cartoon character or add backgrounds to a video. To access the functionality, users will have to click on Video Effects under the Snapchat tab. Microsoft Teams VP Nicole Herskowitz said in an email, "Our customers need tools that help build connections and foster a productive and enjoyable work environment. That is why we are excited to bring Snapchat's lenses natively into Microsoft Teams meetings, for users to add even more personality and fun to video calls. With Snapchat lenses for Teams, we are offering customers a new way to express themselves and engage with coworkers in a dynamic and entertaining manner." According to a TechCrunch report, the integration is possible through Camera Kit, Snap's SDK that leverages AR technology in Snap's own applications and websites. This comes months after Snapchat ended support for its camera app on desktops that allowed users to apply filters on video calls.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.